Hello and welcome to Learn Billiards for all your billiard related items and billiard lessons. My name is Eddie Altman. I'm a PBIA recognized instructor. Today we're going to be doing the giveaway. It's the product we're currently reviewing, the Magic 8-Ball Rack. There you can see it a little bit better. And I'll be putting a description and a link down below. And all you have to do is hit the like button, leave a comment, and at the end of the week, we'll be doing a product giveaway. Thanks again, and we truly appreciate it, and we'll be going over to the table and put this product to the... Okay, now we got the product on the table. Bring it up to your center point. Get it nice and straight for you, and then just start placing the balls. Let's see how fast we can get this done. And ultimately how tight the rack will be. That's the key factor. That's what we're looking for. Tight racks make incredible breaks. And here we go. That's it, done. Every single ball is touching here. And if you find a ball that's not touching, just bring it over slightly and give a little push down. Here's an overview. I want you to see how tight every ball is touching. Now, let's break. All right. Now we're at the table, just chalking up. Let's see how we break here. Look at the movement of the balls on the table. I only dropped one ball in the back corner pocket here, but again, look at the movement. Cue balls towards the center of the table. That's ultimately what we're going for. But also, the balls are spread out pretty nice. This is very nice lie, especially for shooting solids. All right, let's go ahead and break and see what kind of action we get off of this Magic 9-Ball Rack. Made the 5 in the corner. Got a lot of movement. Balls are spread out nice. And here you have 1 in the corner. Get position on the 2. Okay, so how did the product hold up on the table? I have to say I'm extremely impressed. I've been using this product for just about a month now, and I personally have no complaints about it. It's giving me extremely consistent tight racks, and the way the ball spread, it's just awesome to see something like that. Again, anybody can use this rack. You could probably average an 8-ball rack in under 10 seconds once you get the hang of it, and it's extremely easy, self-explanatory. And here is the packaging. Again, this is what you're receiving, and the products inside will be the 8-ball rack, which you can use for 10-ball also, and right there, the 9-ball rack. So please, if you really like this video, hit the like button, and please subscribe. And again, this is the contest. We're giving away the Magic 8-ball and 9-ball rack. And there's going to be a link in the description below. Just click on it, take you straight to Amazon, $14 and change. If you're a Prime member, shipped to your house, you can't beat it. Awesome to take out anywhere, bring to a friend's house if they have a table there, bring it out to the bar. Again, great product. I'm extremely impressed with it. And it's all the racks that I've used personally over the years. It's by far one of the best, if not the best rack, and so simple to use, super lightweight. Again, you won't be disappointed. Thank you.